I'm about to go to work, but the season's fitting, I don't mind. I don't even know if I know myself. Thought of changing, well, it's so hard to tell what's wrong with me. And I try to make my wrong so right, that I just need someone to tell me it's gonna be alright. 'Cause I don't mind, yeah. If everything is not fine, can everything just be? And I don't mind. Nobody knows who I am, and neither do I.